welcome to my channel. Today we will be making chicken bacon ranch pasta in the Instapot. Start by setting the Instapot to saute mode for 10 minutes. Next, we will add the bacon and cook until it is somewhat crisp. Mix the bacon around to avoid it from sticking to the bottom of the Instapot. When the bacon is fully cooked, you will remove it from the Instapot and get ready to add the broth chicken. Now we will add the chicken, pepper, salt, and garlic powder. I didn't use a measuring spoon for this video, but I would say it was roughly about 1 tablespoon for the pepper, 1 tablespoon for the salt, and half a tablespoon for the garlic powder. Mix the chicken around and cook until it is no longer pink. Once it is no longer pink, you will also remove the chicken from the Instapot. Next, we will add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 2 cups of chicken broth. Now we will add 1 packet of ranch powder and dissolve with the broth and the milk. Once the ranch powder has been dissolved, we are now ready to add our pasta. Stir pasta and add chicken and bacon with the rest of the ingredients. Mix the ingredients slightly, making sure to keep the pasta submerged under the chicken and the bacon. I also added another cup of chicken broth to make sure that the pasta was completely soaked. Place the lid on the Instapot and pressure cook for about 8 minutes. When the timer goes off and we have released the pressure, we will remove the lid and add the rest of the ingredients. Next, we will add 1 cup of cheddar cheese and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Mix it around to get it to become somewhat creamy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you next week.